What's up, traders? Welcome back to the new Money Wave FX Group channel. My name is Fiso Anatisibamba, and if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like, sub, and share. Click on the notification bell so that every time I drop, you get notified. Yes, sir. So, traders, I'm just gonna update you guys with a 2.5k to 100k journey. What's currently happening now is that I'm in drawdown, as you guys can see on the screen. I'm in a hefty drawdown for the past 2 days. Like yesterday, especially yesterday, I was gambling. I had a trade whereby I would have passed phase 2, but because of me interfering with my trades, that did not happen. Price ended up surpassing me, going towards my TP. That's now a Euro USD trade, and that's all because of me, because I interfered with my trades. So currently now, today is a new day. I have gold trades. Now with these gold trades, I'm currently looking forward for hitting TP. I'm not going to interfere with them, if I take orders today, it means I will be adding more towards the drawdown. If we hit CP, it will mean that I'm close enough to closing the drawdown, so that tomorrow and Friday, tomorrow's Thursday and Friday, I can have or pass the account. But by the looks of it, it looks like I'm gonna be passing the account via next week, because of setups are scarce this week, because of there's no much fundamental news, so setups ain't gonna pop like that the way I want them to pop. But yeah, let's get it, man. Let me show you guys the screen. We're $3 away from being out of drawdown, okay? We're $3 away from being out of drawdown, because wow, too many losses. We have to stay disciplined in order for us to succeed in a shit way. So now I'm not gonna interfere with my trades, and gonna wait for TP to hit. Then we're done, my gang. We're almost out of drawdown, man. We left with $100 to be out of drawdown, so we at break even. Then by next week, gang, we're getting funded. I don't wanna lie. Next week I'm getting funded next week. So traders, we're 4% up, man. We're 4% up. 4.4% up. We're about to hit at TP. We're about to hit at 5% TP. So since we're 4.4% up, we're about to hit at 5% TP. Meaning that we are closer to being away from drawdown, man. We're way closer to being out of drawdown. We're closer to being out of drawdown. No, we're about to even hit TP now. I'm just gonna give it few pips at soul price pushes. That's it. TP hit. Did you guys see that? TP hit. Just like that. Just like fucking that, boy. Yes, says. So traders, it's the next day. I just entered JBP USD. I entered shorts, which means I entered sales. Yeah, man, I think I found a beautiful entry points on the 38%. You know, I was supposed to get them at a 23%, but I got it at a 38% of the golden zone. Still fine. Let's get it. See you guys. Opportunity for an entry point, as you guys can see, you know. So we're about to shoot down, gang. We're about to shoot down. I'm risking $61 to gain $125. You know, that's what I'm risking. $61 to gain 125. 42 plus 19 plus 8. Calculate that, that's 61, yeah, if I'm not, yeah. Then 80 plus 46, 45, $125. So we officially almost very closely to be out of the drawdown. And I'm telling you, right, next week Monday, I'm passing this shit. Thursday, I'm getting funded. That's how it works. As you guys can see, I was this close to hitting SL. And we never hit SL, boy. Price is currently reversing. I want you to watch this shit, man. So what do? I wait, you know. I wait and let price do his thing. We hit CP, we hit CP. We hit SL, we hit SL. No need for us to interfere with a trade, boy. You know. So as much as there's no need for me to interfere the trade, I need to go read some books, you know, improve my vocabulary. Boy, we're going down now. Now we're going down. As I said, we was this close to hitting SL. As much as I see this for our candle, it went to grab short of liquidity, but now we're about to reverse. Let's just see how it goes, man. You know. Asibonge inkosi yobafethu dala sincenga lento yethu kunjani na kunje. From being almost close to hitting SL to being out of drawdown completely. Kunjani na kunje. I still need to fix some other things, man. You know, still need to fix some other things within myself, within the discipline, every committee that I need to do within myself, you know. So we learn, we move, we do, we chase. This shit gotta stop chasing. I need to attract, because that's what's gonna help now, attracting. So see you guys on TP, man. I'm thinking of putting my trades back on break even, you know. I know I told myself for good I'll never ever interfere with my trades. But tell me, what do you guys think? Should I place my trades on break even or should I let it be? And be prepared to lose that $60. I think I should lose that $60. Yep, I'd rather lose that, boy. We're currently just playing around, and I've passed 2, which means if that is about to hit. New York is about to open. New York session is about to open. We're like 8 minutes away. Oh shit, my headache hurts. Yeah, man. As I said, tomorrow or Monday, I'm getting funded, boy. I'm passing phase 2. And so traders, man, I want to update you guys. We have some sort of like news in 30 minutes. Like, we have some sort of informal news in 37 seconds, actually. So I want to show you guys, man. Like, I want to see how the market moves, because of like it's 8:30, which means New York Open. Those smaller events gonna play a huge role. I don't wanna lie, they're gonna play a huge role. 10 seconds left. 10, 8, 7. As I said, you see how all the spread picks up, boy. This is a crazy spread, boy. Do you see how crazy the spread, bruh? Did you guys see that? I don't know what news events are these, but the spread is crazy. Whew. Kinda nervous as well, but yeah, man. I don't know what news events are these, boy. And it's crazy how it moves, boy. Yeah. Fuck, did you see how the spread open, boy? Just imagine, man. Boy. Poison. That was some crazy shit over there. That was some crazy shit. I don't wanna lie, some crazy shit that I've never seen before. I want to update you guys regarding that news event. Let me just wait a few minutes. Cause of what the man? Like, what the fuck was that, boy? JBPSD, such a crazy spread, boy. So if my trade wasn't break even, it was gonna be out. I was gonna be out of this trade. If I had placed my share on break even, I was gonna be out of this trade, gang. Oh, Trey, we had initial job claims, boy. We had initial job claims, and then we had core PCE price index. Shit. I'm not a type to be trading news events, but like, gang. Sometimes those things, news events happen while I'm in a trade, man. They happen while I'm in my positions, while I'm trading. So now we're about to reverse. We're about to reverse and head back to our level TP. See you guys. Traders, what's happening? Tell me, like, what's happening? In your views, do you see price closing this gap and going back to our initial direction, or do you see it taking us out? Like, now I feel like I should have closed those positions, But as I said, I don't want to interfere with my trades. I want to let the trades run. Because sometimes I interfere with my trades, then trades go into profit. I lose. I'm letting them trades run too. I'm letting the market do their thing. Again, this is what's happening, as you guys can see here. So what do you advise? I should do? What are you advising? Cause of like, okay, nah, okay. Is it my fault for wanting to let the market do their thing? Some things you gotta ask yourself, like, close boy, why do you have time? I follow rules, the market fucked me up. I follow rules, I respect my setups, I respect every criteria that I have within my trading rules, gang. The market decides to fuck me up. One time I decide not to follow rules, guess what happens, son? The market goes towards my direction. So what do we call this now? Should I have closed those trades and waited for TP to hit? Or I should have let the market do its thing the way I did right now, and I'm about to lose $64, $61. Back to drawdown like that. Tell me what to do. Because of fuck. There's another thing coming, For the day I know that I've hit SL boy. I'm done with the trade. My emotions are but fucked now. But there's nothing I can do about it, man. Because of price decides to say, nope, I'm not gonna respect you, boy. I'm just gonna do my thing. I'm just gonna do me. So yeah, that's what happens when you follow rules. Sometimes your rules get violated because the markets don't give a fuck about your rules, don't give a fuck about your emotions, don't give a fuck who you are or who your daddy is or who your mama is. The market will tell you straight, this is my house. I do what I want here. I'm in charge here. And this is what's happening now. So